How to make filet mignon with mushroom and herbs on the Nuwave everyday pan. Preheat the pan to 575 degrees. While the pan is preheating, season the steaks with salt and pepper. When the pan is hot, add oil. Next, begin cooking the fillets. Make sure to cook the fillets on all sides to get an even sear around the surface and edges. When the steaks are done, place them on a plate to rest. Meanwhile, add sliced onions into the pan. Followed by the mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms until they are tender, and then add butter, herbs, and seasoning. Be sure to stir often for an even cook. When finished, plate the cooked mushrooms. In the pan, add the demi-glace and quickly stir it. Then, top the dish with the reserved filet mignons. Finally, drizzle the sauce over the fillets with a spoon and sprinkle herbs as a final touch. The filet mignon with mushroom and herbs is ready to serve. Enjoy.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.